Now here is how you can start practicing trigger awareness mapping today. At the beginning of your session, take a brief moment to observe your internal baseline. Notice whether you feel neutral, slightly tense, eager to trade, or distracted. Pay attention to your breathing, your posture, and the speed of your thoughts. This quick scan creates a reference point, making it easier to notice when a trigger shifts your state later in the session. As the session unfolds, identify each moment where your emotions change suddenly. It might happen after a candle moves too fast, after you miss an entry, after a loss, or even when you check your P&L before you should. Each time you sense a shift, pause and ask what caused it. Name the trigger, label the emotion that followed, and recognize how it tried to pull your behavior in a new direction. These small interruptions prevent a trigger from becoming an impulsive decision. Your exercise for this week is simple. Map at least 3 triggers per session. 1 trigger at the beginning as you establish your baseline, and 2 more whenever your emotional state changes, no matter how small the shift feels. With repetition, you start seeing patterns. You begin noticing which triggers appear often, which ones escalate fastest, and which ones lead to your best and worst behaviors. As you continue this practice, you will start to see how these triggers shape not only your execution, but your interpretation of the chart. Movements that once felt urgent lose their grip. Frustrations that used to push you into the market soften before they become action. And your entire session becomes more stable because you understand what is happening inside you with clarity and intention. You will not only trade with better decisions, you will trade with a calmer and more controlled mind. Now, as we wrap up, I want you to remember where this practice fits inside your development as a trader. This session is part of our Psychology Mindset Workout for Traders, a series where each workout strengthens a different pillar of your emotional performance. Keep mapping your triggers, keep noticing the moments that shift your state, and you will gradually reduce the emotional reactions that once controlled your decisions. With time, you build awareness. With awareness, you build control. And with control, you build consistency.